Greetings from Trinntorpsbadet in Tyresö, a beautiful sandy beach out on the Baltic Sea. This is beach day number 28 and today is 5th of June 2025 and just one day away from the National Day of Sweden, which is tomorrow 6th of June, so it feels just right to have the Swedish flag with me on the beach. I also have brought my bigger Swedish flag that I'm going to use maybe tomorrow or even today for some photo shoot because yeah, I just love Sweden, the country where I live, Stockholm, the city where I live, so it feels just right to be waving the Swedish flag. I am all alone today on the beach here at Trinntorp, and it looks absolutely stunning. As you can see, we have slight wind, but 18 degrees Celsius in the air, and it took me 23.5 kilometers to get here with my Cube road bike that is resting in the shadow after the good ride. That was around 50 minutes exactly, so quite fast. I only had one lap of 1:32 minutes actually. There is even a children's playground, but it is so amazing that there is nobody here. I'm all alone. To be fair, it is 1:20 p.m. and yeah, but actually this beach it gets under shadow after 5 p.m. so I'm guessing nobody will come even later here, so I can be all alone here for the full day. Let's see. But yes, beach the number 28, and first, before we're gonna head on to the jetty, let's measure the temperature of the water right here. As you can see, the water is so clean and clear, and this is basically the open sea here. I just love it when it is such beautiful and clear water. Let's see, let's hope that it is at least 17 degrees so I can stay a bit longer in the water. While I measure, I will show you footage of this beautiful beach, Trinntorpsbadet, located in Tyresö. And the verdict is here, 15 degrees Celsius, which makes sense as we are still in June. But I'm gonna be having few swims in the sea today for sure. One now and maybe one later before I leave to get refreshed for the swim. I just can't believe that in 2 days I'm heading to a Mediterranean country where the weather is 35 degrees. So let's see, I'm gonna reveal when I get there to hold you in suspense. So yeah, let me show you more around the beach while I walk to the jetty. I have been to this beach a few times before. It is not one of my common beaches to visit. I come here maybe once or twice per year, as usually the beach has people on it, and I usually don't like when there are people on the beach, so I just go to some natural spot where I'm alone. And now I have been acquainted to my cycling tours to Tyresö, and I cycle more and more every other day. So first I went to the Tyresö Strandbadet, that is 18.5 kilometers from my home. 2 days ago I went to Notholmen, which is 20 kilometers from my way to home on the same road. And now 23.5 kilometers. But that's not all. If I continue this road, there are 3 or 4 more beaches. The last one being 30 kilometers out on the coast, and there is no road after that. It is basically open sea. That is one of my favorites, as I really love the open sea, and it's also a rocky beach one. So let's get going. Let's walk on the jetty. Here there are some small ports for boats. Many people here in Stockholm have a boat, own a boat, especially those that live closer to the sea. I would have also owned a boat as well, for sure. Yes, so the beach is facing towards east, as you can see, and it will get shadow after 5 p.m. I think. Let's see. Cool, so let's then get going and have a nice swim. I will swim out from here and swim all the way to the beach actually. But it is not that deep here as I can see. But it is what it is. So I just walked. Just to stand again. Alright, are we ready? Sea beach adventure from Trinntorpsbadet in Tyresö. Let's go! Amazing. I love it. It's so beautiful. And beneath me there is crystal clear sand. And so soft indeed. It's so beautiful. I just love it. It would have been nice if it was a bit more depth in here, but it's still nice. Let me go in once again so you can see what I'm talking about, the sand, because it's not so visible from here. So let's go. Like I'm on a fancy Mediterranean destination with this type of sand, but I'm in the northernmost country of Europe. Alright, I'm gonna be chilling here today and enjoying the beautiful sea, the Baltic Sea, and tomorrow we're gonna celebrate the National Day of Sweden, 6th of June. So thanks a lot for watching this episode with me from Trinntorpsbadet in Tyresö, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!